Coloring pages are making tons of money on Etsy. And in this video, I am going to be showing you how easy it is to create coloring pages from scratch. Today, I will be showing you how to create spring coloring pages. In previous days, I have created different coloring pages in different niches and style. So today we are going to be creating spring coloring pages. As usual, I will be creating this using my AI toolkits. This is because creating it with this toolkit makes it fast. I don't have to think about prompts. I don't have to think about styles. I don't have to think about what to create, how to create, and how much I have to create. In the AI toolkit, I already have a prompt bank. Now, in this prompt bank, all I need to do is go through the options of prompt packs. In the prompt pack, pick any prompt of my choice and create for the day. Easy peasy. So today, I will be creating spring coloring pages in the prompt pack. All I'm going to do is take the prompt pack, put it in my preferred AI tool. In this case, I am using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then go ahead to create images using the prompt pack. Also, in the prompt pack, you have multiple prompts. I will be generating 20 spring images or spring theme coloring pages for these products. This is what ChatGPT has created using the prompts. As you can see, this is so beautiful. Process is fast and easy. I don't have to think of what to create. I don't have to spend my AI credits and time thinking of how to construct or how to write a prompt because all that is sorted in the toolkits. This is it. Beautiful, beautiful spring themed coloring pages. And so, what is our next step? Our next step is to convert these images into a PDF file. We have 20 images generated using the prompt pack. What this means is the prompt contained 20 prompts. When you put it into your AI, in this case, ChatGPT, it is going to generate 20 images. So we're going to convert these images into a PDF file. I also like to mention that you do not have to use ChatGPT to generate your images using the prompts. Okay. You can use whatever AI provider that you are subscribed to or you prefer. So you can use this prompt in Cloud AI or Gemini. I use ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT has been my business partner for a long time. And so far, I am happy with it. Next step is convert this into a PDF file. Usually, what people will do is download these images individually. So, download 20 of these images into Canva and then save the images as a PDF file. You don't have to do all that. All you do is prompt or ask your AI to convert these images to PDF and you're good to go. After this is done, the next step is what we're going to be creating our photo listing because that's the only way people will see what we are selling. After converting our images to PDF file, the next step is to create our listing photo. So our product listing photo. This can be done using AI. Okay. This can also be done using Canva. And I will be showing you how I create my listing photo in Canva. This is Canva. Yesterday, we created this beautiful image. We created the alphabet coloring pages for kids. So if you are curious as to the process of this, just check the playlist or look for day 11. Okay. Now it is time to create the spring coloring pages. You can see this is similar, right? I am literally using templates. Done for you mockup templates. They usually look like this. And by the way, I have done for you mockup templates. I'm going to be linking that in the description. So if you want to explore that, it contains over 100 templates where you get to play around with options and create your products. I will be showing you exactly how to use this template. This is the template I am using today. All I need to do is pick the images. Okay, you can see these are the images here on the left side of your screen. I'm just going to pick these images and drag it into this place. That's what I will be doing. Okay, so this is an image. Just drag it in and you have it. That is the same thing I'm going to be doing for other images. This one here. See, there you go. Now I can decide to, say more here or do more, or probably maybe change the font. Maybe I can just decide to change the font to, I don't know, something else. Okay, let's try this today. Reduce this. And this is going to take less than 5 minutes to do. Okay. And this is because we're using a mockup template. Everything is prepared. Your prompt pack is set. You get to use your prompt pack to generate your images using AI. And then listing photos, you get to use the mockup templates to create your listing photos, or you do that on AI directly. I show my students, how to do that. Okay. And then you're good to go. I can decide to do this just to give some option and play around. This is it. Change this one, of course, to the color of the day. This is going to be orange. Can you see? We're good to go. The most important thing is you want it to be clear enough. Anyone that sees this product knows they are getting 20 printable pages in two sizes, size A4 and US letter. However, this is clear. It is an instant download. You want to always state as much as you can that your product is a digital product, especially when you are selling digital products. Okay. I'm going to save this as a PNG file. I'm just going to come here, save this as a PNG file, or download this as a PNG file. So let's say we want to create a video option. Same procedure. Take this and just drop it in, drop your images in. And then we have one more, which is, oh, look at this one. This one, coloring. Just going to leave it as spring coloring. Okay, spring coloring. Just make this, I'm just going to make it bold, spring coloring. Let's do yellow. Oh, yeah, I like this one. Then I'm going to be converting this image into video. And to do this, very easy to do. All you need to do is click on the page, click animate, and select any of the animation option that will pop out. I'm just going to go with this one. That's the slick option. Then this is the point where you get to download this as you would select instead of PNG. Now, I can decide to also save this as a picture. So that is a PNG file. Okay. However, I want this to be a video because I have added animation to it and I want to list it as a listing video for my product. So what I do is select MP4 video and then download the specific page. This is page 21. Select download and we're going to have, you can see it's downloading at the bottom. So we have our video. I am then going to also download this as a picture so that I can just add more photos in my listing photo. Change this to a PNG, still page 21, and click on download. And we have that. So we have created 30 spring coloring pages. We have converted these pages into a PDF file. And then we have our photo listing and our video listing. We're good to go. The next step is to upload the product in the platform you are selling. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be uploading this product on Etsy, and I will be showing you how to do that. Now, this is Etsy. I am on Etsy. I have created my listing. So first I'm going to be adding my main photo. The first main image will be this one. I'm going to put it here. So this is our first image. Let's look at it. This is good. We're good. I'm happy with it. Next is to add our video. We created a video, right? We have our video. Let's see what it looks like. Click on this. Cute. This is done. Next step is add more photos if you have. I converted the other one also into a photo. I'm just going to add it for more options. You can then decide to make like a collage of different, you know, images that you have created or generated and make it into a collage. So basically, a page with multiple photos or images, and then you add it. The next is we have our video. Great. Then this is important. This is a sample of an infographic or an image that tells the buyer what they are getting. This is an instant download. You're going to be getting it in two printable sizes. I say the sizes so they know that, oh, I'm going to be getting two sizes. They decide what to do with their sizes. The next step is your title. You want your title to be optimized. You want that whatever you say in this title, okay, that that is what people are searching for. I made sure in the title contains words that people are searching with. This means that this title is SEO optimized. You will also do the same for your description. And guess what? All this is done using AI. Tell AI, I just created a spring coloring book or a spring coloring digital book, digital download. Create an SEO optimized title, description, tags for this product, and it will come up with this. You want to ensure that your description says exactly what the person is getting. The next is to add our file. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to click on add, and it takes us to our product. Remember that we already converted our product to a PDF file, and that is what we're going to be selling. And this is it. We've added this one nicely named. You want to also make sure that your file is properly named to help the buyer. This is an A4 size file. I added that information while naming this file. The same for the other file. I am offering two sizes, A4 and US letter. We have our product. This is good. You want your tags to be words or phrases that people are using to search products like this or products that are similar to yours. You want to start a small business from home. You are thinking of a small business idea at home. This is something for you. Grab the AI toolkit. Every information you need, you will be finding in the toolkit, including the prompts that are used to create this product today. And that's it. We're good to go. Once I click on publish, this product is good to go. And this is how you create your coloring pages from scratch in less than 10 minutes. Let me show you what the AI toolkit is about so you know what you are getting. This is the AI toolkit. This is the coloring pages to profit AI toolkit. The name is exactly what it is. This is a toolkit that helps you to start your coloring pages business from home. It is very easy to understand and follow. And the beautiful thing about this product is that it is not just beginners friendly, as you can see. It contains a prompt bank. This prompt bank contains multiple prompts that you can use to create your products, just like I have shown you. You are not just going to be getting this product, you will also be getting back end support. And what this means is that when you buy this product, you will be invited to an exclusive group where I get to occasionally provide a store audit. Okay, we get to meet exclusively, discuss progress, you share your concerns, your fear, your wins, your challenges, and then I get to see your store. Okay, we get to analyze and strategize the way forward. So you're not just getting a toolkit, you're also getting back end support, you're also getting a community. This product is currently on sale. I put it on sale for the duration of this series. This is a 30-day series. After this series, the product is going to go up. So don't walk, run to the description, grab this product in the description below, and start creating. If you have any question or you want me to talk about something, I will be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. And I hope that you take that bold step and start creating. This is for stay at home mothers. If you are looking to transition from a 9 to 5 to working from home, you can use this to, just get your feet on the ground and understand the dynamics of starting a digital product business. This is also perfect for students because, I mean, you're a student, you have ideas and beautiful inspiration. Grab this, get your hands busy. This is also good for mothers in the diaspora that are confused and thinking of what to do. What do I do? Where do I start from? This is something for you. I wish somebody had this offer 6 years ago. Then I would not have spent so much time and money and also live in anxiety just because I don't know what to do and I want to do something. So this is also perfect for stay-at-home mothers that are looking for what to do, especially if you have young kids. You can literally just take one of the prompts in the prompt bank, put it in your tool, generate your images while the kids are running around. How cool is that, right? So if this is something for you, grab it in the description below and I will be happy to hold your hands and build something remarkable together. Okay? That will be all for now, and bye for now.